Hi everyone, it's Monica. Today we're going to be taking a look at Canva, which is a free online design tool. Canva is a great tool to not only resize some of your digital images, but to also create some wonderful social media posts, templates for your YouTubes, and much, much more. When you go to canva.com, you're going to see that you have tabs at the very top which say Home, Template, Features, Learn, and Pricing. And then you're also going to see some items on the left-hand side once you click on some of those folders. If you were to go into templates, you're going to see that you have lots of options for templates ranging from cards and invitations to marketing and social media. So when you have an opportunity, go ahead and check some of those out. But today we're going to create a specific design layout. So I clicked on the create a design and I'm going to size this down to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is your typical A2 size card. So for this layout, we're going to go ahead and upload some of our own images. And as you can see, you have some options on the left-hand side. To upload your own images, you want to simply click on the upload button, which is the third one down, and it will open up this box to be able to click on it to grab some of the images that are on your desktop. I've already pre-imported some of my images that we're going to be working with today. So once your images have been imported, to be able to get them onto your canvas, all you need to do is click on the image. I went ahead and I clicked on my background image to start, and then I resized it to my A2 size card. And then I clicked on the bunny image. Now you're going to have two types of images. You're going to have JPEG images, which do not have the clear background and aren't necessarily great for layering. But then you're also going to have PNG formatted images, which do have the clear background and are wonderful for doing layered cards. The sentiment sheet here that I just clicked on is a JPEG. And as you can see, it has white background. So when you trim down these images, you want to make sure that whatever you trim down, if it includes white background, that is also what you're going to see when you go to layer it. For this particular image, it is a rectangle, and I'm just going to go ahead and trim it down exactly to the size of the colored border, so that way when it is sized perfectly and I make it a little bit bigger, all I'll see is the green border and not the white border that was around it. And once I've cropped it down, I can easily resize it to the size that I need. Now on the sheet currently, you saw that the image sentiment was actually overlaid on top of the bunny. To get it behind the bunny, all I did was right click the image and I chose bring to the front. And you want to do that with the image that you want to have on the top layer. I decided that wasn't the sentiment that I wanted to use, so I went ahead and I clicked on that sentiment and I deleted it. And then I clicked on another sentiment, which is a PNG format, and that's why you don't see the white border on the background. I can resize my sentiment to put it exactly where I want it. And then once I have it sized perfectly, I can go ahead and download my image. So when you're ready to download your image, all you need to do is click on the download button and you're going to have some options. You can choose to download it as a PNG. You can choose it as a JPEG. You've got a PDF option. There's several options here to be able to choose from. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a PNG to download, but really a PNG or a JPEG would be just fine. Once your image is downloaded, this is going to go to the download folder, typically of your computer, and then from there you can move it to a specific folder if you choose. And at that point, you can go to your desktop, open up your image, and print it out. So hopefully this quick tutorial on how to work with Canva has been a good starter for you to check out this product. If you like working with digital images and you want to be able to resize your images perfectly, this is a great tool. All right, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you have some fun with some digital images. We'll see you next time.